Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly transforming the engineering landscape, becoming a pivotal force in innovation and problem-solving. As we delve into this fascinating topic, it's essential to recognize how AI is not just a tool, but a new breed of engineer, capable of analyzing vast amounts of data, optimizing processes, and even designing solutions that were once thought to be the realm of human expertise. In today's technological landscape, understanding AI's role is crucial as it influences various industries from manufacturing to healthcare and even finance. This video aims to engage you with insights into how AI is reshaping engineering practices and driving efficiency. By exploring real-world applications and the potential future of AI in engineering, we hope to highlight its significance and encourage a deeper understanding of its impact. Whether you're an industry professional or simply curious about technology, grasping AI's capabilities will empower you to navigate the evolving world around us. So let's dive in and explore the intersection of AI and engineering. Behind every great engineering breakthrough is a problem that seemed impossible to solve until someone found a way. Today, that someone is increasingly becoming an algorithm. From the ancient wonders of the pyramids to the modern marvel of AI algorithms that can predict structural failures before they happen. Engineering has come a long way. Today, we stand at the threshold of its most transformative chapter yet. Engineering has a rich history that dates back thousands of years, with key milestones such as the construction of the pyramids, the invention of the wheel, and the development of the steam engine. Each of these breakthroughs laid the groundwork for future innovations, shaping the way we design and build. Fast forward to the 21st century, and we find ourselves at the forefront of a new revolution, one driven by artificial intelligence. AI technologies have emerged as game changers, enabling engineers to analyze complex datasets, simulate real-world scenarios, and automate repetitive tasks. This shift from manual engineering practices to AI-driven processes has not only increased efficiency but also enhanced creativity and problem-solving. For instance, AI algorithms can now predict structural failures before they occur, allowing for proactive measures that were previously unimaginable. As we explore this evolution, it's clear that AI is not just an enhancement but a transformative force that is redefining the very essence of engineering. Understanding this shift is crucial for anyone looking to thrive in the modern engineering landscape. Imagine reducing project delays by 20% or increasing energy production by 10% with just a few lines of code. These aren't hypothetical scenarios, they're real results. In the ever-evolving field of engineering, various AI technologies are making significant strides. Tools such as machine learning algorithms, computer vision, and natural language processing are being integrated into engineering workflows to enhance productivity and innovation. Software platforms like Autodesk's Generative Design and Siemens' MindSphere are prime examples of how AI can optimize design processes and improve project outcomes. Integrating AI into engineering workflows offers numerous benefits, including increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved accuracy. For instance, AI can analyze vast data sets to identify patterns and insights that human engineers might overlook, leading to more informed decision-making. Successful applications of AI in engineering projects are already making headlines. For example, AI-driven predictive maintenance systems in manufacturing have significantly reduced downtime by anticipating equipment failures before they occur. Similarly, AI algorithms are being used in civil engineering to optimize traffic flow and enhance urban planning. As we continue to explore these technologies, it becomes clear that AI is not just a trend, but a vital component of modern engineering practices. From the ancient wonders of the pyramids to modern AI algorithms that predict structural failures before they happen, engineering has come a long way. Imagine reducing project delays by 20% or increasing energy production by 10% with just a few lines of code. These aren't hypothetical scenarios, they're real results from companies leveraging AI in their engineering processes today. Real-world applications of AI in engineering are not just theoretical, they are transforming industries and yielding impressive results. One notable case study is the use of AI by General Electric, GE, in their wind turbine operations. By implementing machine learning algorithms to analyze data from thousands of turbines, GE has significantly improved predictive maintenance, resulting in a 10% increase in energy production and a substantial reduction in operational costs. Another compelling example comes from the construction industry, where AI-driven project management tools have been employed by companies like Turner Construction. These tools analyze project timelines and resource allocation, leading to a 20% reduction in project delays and enhanced collaboration among teams. These case studies highlight AI's effectiveness in driving efficiency and innovation across various engineering sectors. As we reflect on these outcomes, it's essential to consider the broader implications of AI integration. How might these advancements shape the future of engineering? By understanding these examples, viewers can better appreciate the transformative potential of AI in their own fields. While it took humanity thousands of years to progress from the wheel to the steam engine, AI is accelerating engineering innovation at an unprecedented pace. The question isn't if AI will change engineering, it's how quickly you'll adapt to this new reality. As we embrace the transformative power of AI in engineering, it's crucial to address the challenges and ethical dilemmas that accompany its implementation. One significant concern is the potential for bias in AI algorithms, which can lead to unfair outcomes in decision-making processes. Additionally, the reliance on AI raises questions about job displacement, as automation may replace certain roles traditionally held by engineers. The importance of establishing ethical guidelines in AI development cannot be overstated. These guidelines should focus on transparency, accountability, and fairness to ensure that AI technologies serve the greater good and do not exacerbate existing inequalities. Moreover, as we look to the future, it's essential to encourage critical thinking about the implications of AI in engineering. How can we balance innovation with ethical responsibility? What measures can be taken to mitigate risks while maximizing benefits? By engaging in these discussions, we can pave the way for a future where AI enhances engineering practices while upholding ethical standards and societal values. As we look ahead, the future of engineering is poised to be significantly shaped by advancements in AI technologies. Emerging trends such as generative design, where AI algorithms create optimized solutions based on specific parameters, are set to revolutionize how engineers approach problem solving. Additionally, the integration of AI with the Internet of Things, IoT, will enable real-time data analysis, leading to smarter infrastructure and more efficient resource management. In this evolving landscape, it's essential for viewers to consider their roles as engineers, innovators, and decision-makers. How can you leverage AI to enhance your projects and drive meaningful change in your field? The potential for innovation and creativity in AI-driven engineering is immense, opening doors to solutions that were once unimaginable. As we embrace these technologies, we must also remain adaptable and forward-thinking, ready to explore new possibilities. By fostering a culture of collaboration and continuous learning, we can harness the power of AI to create a future where engineering not only meets the demands of society, but also inspires groundbreaking advancements. In summary, we've explored the transformative role of AI in engineering, highlighting its historical context, current applications, and future potential. From enhancing design processes with generative algorithms to optimizing project management through predictive analytics, AI is reshaping how engineers work and innovate. We've also discussed the challenges and ethical considerations that come with these advancements, emphasizing the need for responsible AI development. As we wrap up, we encourage you to engage with this content by liking, subscribing, and sharing this video with others who might find it valuable. Your support helps us continue to bring you insightful discussions on the intersection of technology and engineering. Don't forget to explore related content on our channel or website, where you'll find more videos and articles that dive deeper into AI applications and engineering trends. We invite you to join the conversation and share your thoughts on how AI is impacting your field. In the hands of an engineer, AI isn't just a tool. It's a collaborator that never sleeps, never overlooks a data point, and can explore design possibilities beyond human imagination. Are you ready for a new era of engineering?